So it comes with a user manual, and it comes in this little case, and the case is really nice. It holds everything for you. It comes with the device itself, which looks like this, and it comes with little probes. So these are the little device probes. So it comes with these little probes, and it comes with the device. It comes with 2 sets of electrical pads, which really need to be cut down a bit so they can fit on different parts of your face. If you're going to be using it on your body, then you could probably have them this big. They are kind of sticky pads that you can stick on parts of your body or different parts of your face. And then it comes with a set of silver gloves. So these are, they are silver. Woven silver is in these, and these are so that it's a conductive material, and they also connect to the device. So you go like this, and then connect them like that, and then connect it to the device. And then you would turn on the device, and it actually, mine came charged, which is nice. It has a few different settings. So you go through the different settings, and if you hold it, when it's blinking like this, you would hold it, and it would go to the next setting, and you would go to the next one and the next one. And so there's 3 different modes: mode 1, mode 2, mode 3. The first one is lymphatic. The second mode is for kind of making the skin more healthy and firm. And then the final mode, one second, I'm gonna turn this back off and back on. And then the final mode is actually to work on the deeper muscles of the body. So this is for the kind of deeper muscles of the body. And this is the different modes you're on. And then you can make it stronger. And stronger is not always better, guys. So you can also make it less strong, depending on what you need it to do. Because this is actually literally a workout for the skin and the muscles. This is a really amazing device. I actually will do a few little videos on how this device works and it functions, but I did want to just kind of pull it out and do like a little unboxing of it and kind of show what it came with, because it is pretty, what it comes with is pretty awesome. It is a about a $2,500 device, so it's not inexpensive, but my professional device is $9,000. So this is much more affordable for somebody. It does come with a 1-year warranty. It's very heavy. It's made in America, in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it's pretty awesome. I will be straight with you. The user manual leaves a lot to be desired. You will kind of understand how to use it, but you might not understand all that you can do with this device, which is why I want to make a bunch of videos on how to use it more kind of better for people, because if you do start using it, you'll want to know how to use it better. But awesome device, like so good. So that's what I have to say about this, is a little unboxing. All right, so hopefully that explains things to you. I'm gonna put it all away. Bye.